Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I want to get into this directly really fast because I don't want this video to take too long. But if you guys been watching my videos, you guys already know that all my bullish targets hit for crypto. I was looking for a target of right here at 97,619. You pushed a little bit higher and then you're coming right back down. My bear target, right, as of right now for Bitcoin is again still 79K. I am looking for us to close this bear candle under the bull open, right? That bull open is 98,139-ish, whatever. But if you do close under that level, I am expecting a first drop to like 94,875 and then a continuous drop, right, for us to break this low of 91,407 and then keep pushing down to like 79K. Right. And I told you guys that I am looking for a weekly, what is it called? I am looking for a weekly close above this open, right? So as of right now, I wouldn't say I'm necessarily bullish yet. I want to see a little bit more break to the upside, right? I would only actually be bullish to this next to like 120 if you actually break the high right here, right, of 108,174. And again, short term right now, I am looking to see what we do on the daily because I am thinking that this is going to close under the open of this bull candle. So if we do that, right, first target on the low side, 94,844. Second target is this low of 91,499, and then all the way down to like 79K, right? And then XRP, same thing. XRP, you already closed under that. You didn't close, but you're going to be closing today at some point unless you recover this whole candle to the upside, right? My bear level is $2.40, right? And my target would be this $2.14. And again, I am looking for a push lower, right? I'm looking for this to go lower, back down to at least like a $1.40, $1.32, which is the bottom of this channel right here, right? So I am looking for a push a little bit lower, and the daily is actually giving me that confirmation today when we actually have a what is it called? When we actually have that close, right? But again, if you can actually just run this, right, like this, run this, run that, right? And again, you can do your trends, you can do whatever you want, but again, see, you hit trend perfectly, came back down. If you close like this, then yes, I am looking for another $1.97 roughly, and then another push down to probably 1.6 before you see some support, and then push lower to like a 127, like 130 something, right? So as of right now, I'm not necessarily like super bearish. I'm looking for today's close, and then if that happens, then I am bullish to, or bearish, sorry, to these lows again for XRP as well as Bitcoin. And on the weekly, again, you know, I would need a little bit higher push, right? Like, I mean, ideally, not ideally, but, you know, I would think that you would still have some sort of push to like $3, right? But as of right now, I am looking more for the low side. Depends on the close on Bitcoin and XRP. But yeah, all bullish targets hit. Right now, I'm looking, if we close today, right, I am looking for lower on both Bitcoin and XRP. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.